Let's make beef nihari. What is beef nihari? Beef nihari is a rich, slow-cooked meat stew from the Indian subcontinent, flavored with the complex of blend of spices and thickened to a silky, velvety texture. I have 5 pounds of the beef shank meat. It has the bone marrow in here. It has the whole shank bone and the meat is attached to it. We will take ready-made nihari masala to make life easy. We will cook this recipe in our pressure cooker under 2 hours of our time. If you read the instructions, it says it takes 6 hours to make this nihari, but we will make it in under 2 hours. Let's prepare our pressure cooker. We will take 1 cup of olive oil. We will start with the olive oil in here. Here you go, 1 whole cup of olive oil in here. Look at this nihari meat. Meat is ready, it's completely rinsed, bone marrow and the meat, and we have some pieces with just the bone and meat. Adding the meat in here. All 5 pounds of the meat is in here. Easy way to make beef nihari. We added our meat and we added oil in our pressure cooker. This is how it looks. Let's open our pack. I will link all these ingredients in the description so you can just easily get it from YouTube store. This one whole pack is okay for up to 6 pounds of the meat with the bone. So we just take whole pack and here you go. Just add this whole pack on top of the meat. All of it. Just to give extra kick, I'm using Kashmiri red pepper and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it. This is optional, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri pepper. We will fry the meat for 10 minutes with the masala. After 10 minutes of stir fry, this is what you will see. If you see the oil, it's bubbling in the bottom. We have 5 pounds of the beef, right? So here you go. We will take 5 cups of water. Look at this red sauce, already it's forming. Put your stove onto medium-high flame. Initial 10 minutes stir fry. Let's pressure lock this. Medium-high flame. And on the clock, it's 1:15 till 2:15. Medium-high flame, 300 to 325 degree. It's gonna be cooking like this in our pressure cooker. Exactly 1 hour later, let's turn off the stove so our pressure cooker settles down. Let it settle down. We will slice an onion. We will add it in our frying pan and we'll fry this onion until it's brown in color. Let's add some oil in here and put it on the high flame so the process gets faster. Here I took 1 whole cup of all-purpose flour. This will thicken our beef nihari and we will add 1 cup of water in here. This is the flour paste we need. We might need half of it. It depends what's inside. Let's take a look. Steam is gone and here you go. Wow. Whoa. OMG. Look at this. Look at this. Let's check the meat. Oh, I can easily break from the fingers. It's just hot. Meat is tender. Perfect. Even here, the bone got separated from the meat. This is the pressure cooker recipe. We still have to cook it 30 more minutes, okay? So we are not done. So let's take our flour. Here you go. Let's add half of it right now in here. Give it a mix. Let's see the quantity. If you see, this is the thickness we need. We don't need more thick. Half cup of flour, half cup of water. Mix it and add it in here. Taste test your stew. Perfect. I don't even need salt in here. Let's make sure our onion don't get burned. Best part about this seasoning, let me tell you about the ingredients. So it has red chili, salt. See, it has salt. It has paprika. It has garlic, onions, the flavor, the cumin, the bay leaves. I mean, I'll list it. Do get this. Look at our delicious stew. It's almost there. It's on the slow to simmering, and we just need to add our onion. So our fried onion, they go in here. All of them with the oil. 1 more cup of water because it has to cook for 30 more minutes. Let's give it a final stir. Oh. Perfect. 30 minutes. It's gonna simmer. Let it simmer for 30 minutes. And it's gonna be in the pressure cooker simmering, so everything stays inside. For the beef nihari garnishing, we'll take, of course, lemon, cube it out so it's gonna be easy for you to squeeze it on top. Let's take some fresh green chilies. Handful of fresh mint, handful of fresh cilantro. This brings the whole difference between delicious nihari or just regular nihari. The main ingredient for garnishing is fresh ginger. So we just need long slices, thin slices of the ginger. Fresh ginger sticks. Here you go. Let's talk about our naan, kulcha naan. So we will take it out. It will give you the instruction. We will put it in microwave for 2 minutes. To be exact, in a pressure cooker, beef nihari, it's been 90 minutes. Altogether, the whole process, we did this, we did that, we cut the vegetables, we prepared a lot of stuff. An hour, 40 minutes to make this delicious beef nihari. Here you go, moment of truth. And look at this beauty. Here goes our shank. This is the center of the whole dish. Here is your delicious beef nihari, authentic beef nihari you can make at home. Let's talk about the garnishing. So here you go, just sprinkle 2-3 sticks of the ginger on top, 2 slices of lemon like this, green chilies and some mint and cilantro. This is how you make delicious beef nihari. Enjoy this recipe. We have naans, we have garnishing. It's looking fantastic. This is the taste test. Let's get into it. We'll take the naan. Let's just try the sauce. Dip it in the sauce. Nihari sauce, beef nihari sauce. Look at this. Really good. The meat, the sauce, and here you go. This meat. Put a lemon, put some ginger on top, some of the fresh, and couple of the chilies. Join, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Make this delicious, easy, simple recipe. Come on. Soul satisfying. The bone marrow. Lemon. This is the premium vibe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. It's so good. I'm gonna be just look at my fingers. It is so good.